What were the pyramids built for? Mainstream Egyptologists will say that the Great Pyramids were simply just tombs where the pharaohs laid to rest. However, there is a theory that the pyramids were built for something more. We all know that the pyramids have hidden shafts built into the structure, but no one could ever figure out what the purpose of it was until Christopher Dunn created a scaled-down model replica of the Great Pyramids and poured water into it. The result was the pyramid resonating a frequency that was able to emit electrons, and when put back to scale, it was said that the energy created was as much as, or even more than what an earthquake gives off. Maybe it's no coincidence that the late Nikola found much fascination and inspiration from the pyramids when he created the Tesla Tower, a device able to harness energy through the atmosphere. Could there be some kind of advanced technology hidden away in the pyramids by a more advanced civilization or alien race? Unfortunately, with all that said, we all just want to find out who built the pyramids, or